This customer wants to add 8 recessed lights in his bedroom. The 2 that are gonna be over the TV and the bed, I'm gonna put on one switch line, and the other 6, I'm gonna put on another switch line. Over here on a cassetta switch with a Pico remote by the bed. We're also gonna be replacing the ceiling fan with a new fan that has a remote control, so it's just gonna need power all the time. I measured my 8 cans, 36 inches from the wall. I used my magnet to see where the joists are, and I also used this Busca just to double check that there's no wood in the way. And now I can cut out my can with my Elko hole saw. So after getting all 8 holes cut out, I set my snake from can to can, and I'm gonna tie the correct wire accordingly so I can separate the TV and the bed lights, and I'm gonna do this for all my cans. So I got all 6 cans wired, and now I'm separating the 2 in the middle on their own switch. So I'll run a 3-wire from the switch to the first can to separate these 2 from the 6. So I'm gonna remove the remote for the fan and send constant power up to the fan. This switch is for the plug by the bed. We're gonna make that hot all the time. And then we're gonna use these 2 spots for my new cassetta dimmers for the recessed lights after I run my 3-wire from the switch up to the first can. So I didn't realize there's no attic access here, but I got really lucky. I sent my snake up at the switch and I caught it at the first can. I can see it right here. So now I can tie my 3-wire here and pull it down. Now that I have my 3-wire tied, I can pull it down to the switch without even having to go in the attic. Just like that. I wired the first can, separating the TV light and the bed light on the red and the other 6 on the black. And then the cover goes on the can, kind of goes up in the ceiling, and it has these 4 clips that push it against the drywall. These trims have a color temperature setting on the back. He wants them at 2700. So we're gonna put them at 2700, click them in, and then the clips just slide up, just like that. I disconnected the old fan, and now I'm gonna take it down, and then I'll assemble and install the new fan. Got the fan support installed, the motor up and wired, and now I'm gonna put up the canopy, and then I can put up the blades and the light kit. So after getting all the blades installed, then I can put up the light kit. Now that I got the light kit bracket installed, then the light kit just kind of goes up.